Do I have a wrongful death claim in Illinois? Well, if you can show that the negligent or bad conduct on the part of a defendant caused or contributed to cause the death of you, a family member, or a loved one, then you have a wrongful death claim. To pursue that claim, it, they can be complicated, so you probably need a lawyer. I'm Gary Berger, Berger Law. And you have 2 years from the date of the death to file an action in Illinois. Who can file an action? Well, Illinois has law about that as well. It has to be a personal representative appointed by the court to pursue the claim. It's almost always a close family member. The wife of a husband, the husband of a wife, the child of a parent, the brother of a parent. So you file a motion with the court with the complaint to have that person appointed. It's almost always appointed unless it would be improper. You have, as I mentioned, you have 2 years to file that lawsuit, and the negligence or what the person did wrong to cause the death can be a variety of circumstances. I've handled truck crash death cases, auto cases, motorcycle slip and fall, medical malpractice, products liability, a variety of types of cases that cause the death. So wrongful death just describes the injury, that the ultimate injury in life, right? And we often have in my firm, I have families come to me, and we know how to navigate people through the grief and the claims process. No one ever wants to be faced with that untimely death, or then have to go to talk to a lawyer, and then have to fight a lawsuit or a claim. That's a lot to take on. But justice delayed is justice denied. And after, if you let too much time pass before you contact a lawyer and pursue the claim, sometimes evidence can be lost. So you have to be careful about that. So the claim may be negligence in a car crash case. It may be that a doctor performed surgery wrong. It may be that there was a dangerous product out there. It may be that a store had a dangerous condition of their property that caused death. It can be a variety of circumstances under which that might arise, but you have that wrongful death claim. Look into it, investigate it, have your lawyer do it with you, file a lawsuit, pursue the claim, and then a lot of investigations done during the pendency of the claim. We file a complaint in Illinois to join the battle in litigation, so to speak, and then it is our practice at Berger Law to represent the whole family. So although only one person may be the representative, but we want to have the whole family involved. We want to know that all the kids are together in the claim, or the wife, or whatever the circumstances are. So if you have a wrongful death claim or faced with that sad, very surprising. I mean, it's life changing, as we know, and it's hard to navigate. And so let me just, before I end the video, people are saying, "What damages do I get?" No one is, when a death happens. I've never had someone come in and say, "My husband died, now I want money." Or no one ever says it. What they want is justice. They want that to, mostly they want that never to happen again to someone else's loved one, because they feel the pain so acutely of the sudden and surprising death of their loved one. So, but all I can ultimately do is get damages, and that, frankly, that's all corporate America insurance companies listen to change their behavior. So if you want to change behavior, stand up for yourself, be counted, um, uh, respect honor the memory of your loved one by making our community safer, by making the suit and making a claim for money damages. But just to answer the question of what damages you're entitled to, because it's not clear and it differs between states. So in Illinois, you're entitled to damages for grief and bereavement. You're entitled to loss of income of the deceased person, or the reduced capacity of future income, loss of benefits, loss of companionship, loss of you don't have a father anymore to teach you how to fish or bowling or to walk you down the aisle. Sometimes people need help through the grief, so there's damages for grief and counseling and getting through that process. Funeral expenses, burial costs, medical expenses. Sometimes the medical expenses attendant to the injuries after an accident, which ultimately caused someone's death, can be astronomical. Those are recoverable too. Pain and suffering of the decedent. What pain did they go through before they met their demise? And the mental anguish both of the decedent, the person who died, as well as the family. If anybody has any questions about wrongful death or those damages or the claims or the time period, go to our website, go to our YouTube channels, or call us at Burger Law. We're happy to answer all your questions for free to help you through this time. We're not hard sell people, too, by the way. So a lot of times when people call us with this, they don't know what to do. They have no idea. So we educate them, we lead them down, and we say, listen, if you want to hire us, come back later and hire us. If you have any questions about that, call us. Thank you very much. I'm Gary Berger from Burger Law. Thank you.